It is the one thing that everybody does, regardless of texture and or ethnicity, have to do the most of is wash your hair. And washing your hair on wash day can sometimes be the most damaging part of your regimen if it's a shampoo that bubbles, lathers, or suds. Great question. 4C texture here. I absolutely love your advice. I recently purchased the 8-ounce No Suds Cleansing Cream Shampoo, Quench Conditioner, Nourishment Leave-In Moisturizer, and the Kinky Curling Cream. My hair looks fabulous, but I can't afford to use the amount of products that is recommended at the price point. Of the 4, which do you suggest? I continue to purchase. I can only afford consistently buy one in the future. Okay. Well, the most important product from that entire lineup is the No Suds shampoo. The Hair Rules Cleansing Cream No Suds shampoo. It is not a conditioner, it is not a co-wash, it is a cleanser. And it is meant to clean and detangle at the same time. It is skincare for your hair. It is the one thing that everybody does, regardless of texture and or ethnicity, have to do the most of is wash your hair. And washing your hair on wash day can sometimes be the most damaging part of your regimen if it's a shampoo that bubbles, lathers, or suds. It will strip away moisture, oil, which are all nothing more than shine and luster in hair. It makes it challenging for you to not have your hair dried out, particularly if you have longer hair or textures that are naturally dry, have a lot of shrinkage. It's the first cause of confusion in your regimen or damage or dehydration. So certainly that's the most important product in the line. Skip the conditioner, Quench, and or use it only on special occasions for a treatment on your wash day. And you find the inexpensive conditioners like Aussie, Tresemme are great cheap conditioners. You know those big bottles of 32-ounce sizes that are only $4.99? Like, buy a bunch of those. Use half the bottle the first time and see how quickly it is, particularly if you have longer texture. Use half the bottle on your hair and then watch how fast it is to get to your hands to your hair. I don't want you to feel guilty with the amount of conditioner you're supposed to be using in your hair to achieve quick and easy wash and go styling. The amount of conditioner is what makes it easy. And if you don't have enough of that conditioner, then it makes a challenge to get your styling product to apply to your now super prepped, wash and go conditioned hair. Conditioner is essentially like it's a chemical-free texturizer. It weighs down the hair, it lubricates the strands, it turns the fuzzy, frizzy, kinky, curly stuff into loose, defined hair, and your styling product just captures that at the end of your shower. So, you know, in terms of a leave-in moisturizer, you can get rid of the leave-in moisturizer, use it for when you decide you want to do a protective style or blow your hair out. But you don't, if you're doing the frequently wash and go styling like recommended for 4A, 4B textures, then you're canceling out the need to have to use a leave-in conditioner. Remember, leave-in moisturizers are never in place of rinse-out conditioners. They're only in addition to. And if you're doing wash and go styling frequently, then you don't need the Nourishment Leave-In Moisture. And only have it for times where you're going to do a protective styling or blow your hair out for another style. But you don't need to use all those products every day or even once a week. A lot of them can be used when you decide to be the switch it up girl and do something different to your hair. I hope this helps save you some money and you continue to look fabulous with Hair Rules. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.